What up mga solid subscribers na guys, no? Guys, meron tayong papanood ngayon, no? So, very big shout out syempre sa isa sa mga madalas natin pinapanood na guys, no? Kay Miss O po, no? Kay Miss O po, no? Very big shout out po kay Miss O, no? So, itong video niya na to guys, no? This video is entitled More Stories of Casuals Becoming Fans of After SB19's Dubai concert at the Coca-Cola Arena, no? So tara guys, tingnan natin maigi kung bakit napakarami pong mga fans, makapakarami mga casual fans na talagang turned into 18 po talaga guys, no? And tingnan natin maigi kung bakit, no? Kung ano yung mga yung mga reflections nila mismo dun sa event, no? And then yung mismo mga kanilang mga opinions. So okay, tara, panoorin natin itong video ni Miss O, no? Okay, let's go.
More stories of casuals becoming fans after SB19's Dubai concert at the Coca-Cola Arena. $1 million over 10. As a non-fan of SB19, I was really impressed.
Wow.
Kahit first time mo lang marinig ibang kanta nila, mapapahanga ka agad. Ang powerful ng vocals nila, solid ang stage presence, at bawat performance parang palaban at may puso. Grabe mga halimaw. After watching SB19 simula at wakas concert in Dubai, and I'm still reading
guys,
from
sabihin ko na sa inyo, yung halimaw na term, baka sabihin nyo, ano ba yun, halimaw? Isabihin, halimaw yung mga SB19, yung appearance sila. Hindi guys ha, baka isipin nyo, ganun guys ha. Ano ko, baka iba dyan, ako, mga talagang may masabi lang eh. Yung halimaw guys, in terms of, I'm sure guys, most of you alam to, no? Pero sa mga hindi na nakakalam, halimaw means sobrang amazing, no? As in, halimaw, diba? Kasi syempre, yung mga halimaw guys, diba, sila yung parang mga sobrang overpower, no? Yung out of this world, no? Diba? Sila, kumbaga, ang pinaka-term is SB19, halimaw, ibig sabihin, out of this world, yung kanilang talent, yung kanilang achievements, yung kanilang pagpe-perform po talaga guys, no? Okay, stage presence, okay?
Energy. As a non-18 fan, I wasn't sure what to expect, but the group's passion and talent won me over. The crowd was electric and the stage presence was a top-notch. No wonder they're a global sensation with such a massive fan base. Their energy, talent, and stage presence are truly unforgettable. Experience it firsthand at their Dubai concert, and I'm still buzzing from the performance. Was a casual listener, now I'm full-blown 18, and I'm not sorry. Never realized how incredible they are until I saw them live. Every single one of them is amazing. They're seriously that good. All of them, no skips. And yes, we get to see them up close, take pics, shake hands, still in complete disbelief.
Tingnan nyo na SB19 guys, no? Hindi na lang kung pang ilan na po siya na nagpa-picture or what, pero yung kanilang reaction like si Pablo, as in, no, parang, alam mo yun, talaga napaka-engaging po talaga, no? Napaka-bait, napaka-buti talaga na itong mga to. As in, yung fan-serving na guys, sobrang solid.
I'm not a fan of SB19, but their performance is masasabi kong grabe, especially when you watch them live. I didn't expect to get goosebumps from their songs. I genuinely appreciate them now. Ibang level din talaga. It's not just hype, they really connect with the crowd. I seriously enjoyed this concert. Solid at sulit ang bayad.
Shout out, galing.
If I had to encapsulate the experience in one word, it would be fun. Out of the 5 concerts I've attended over the past 6 years, this one easily scores a 10 out of 10. I'll admit, I underestimated this boy band. I even had second thoughts about going last night, but wow, am I glad I did. Thank you SB19 for an unforgettable night. You made us so proud to be Pinoy even here in the Middle East. Truly a world-class talent.
Solid, no? Meron mga ganyan talaga guys, mga casual listeners na nagda-doubt kung ano ba ang SB19 po talaga, no? Like, okay ba sila sa live? Okay ba yung music nila? Pero once na napanood mo sila live, and syempre, kahit di ka manood ng live, kahit napakinggan mo talaga yung mga music nila guys, solid po talaga, no? As in.
Yes, I went in as a casual listener lang, but went home completely in awe. It was my first P-pop concert too. Super impressive ng boys. It was super worth it. No dead air, the energy was consistent from beginning till end. I attended another concert in Coca-Cola Arena last month, but last night's crowd was hella different. The vocals, the performance, the audio system, LED screen, talagang hindi tinipid at pinaghandaan. Last night was truly one for the books. Even the bouncers and security na ibang lahi were grooving and were in the zone because they can feel the energy and the music. Tagus sa puso. Kakauwi ko lang from your concert here in Dubai. I actually just learned your songs this week. As in, mga Thursday lang ako nag-try makinig ng songs nyo kasi ngayon ko lang din ita-try manood ng concert ng Filipino. First timer, believe ako. Worth my money. May you write, sing, and produce more songs like this. I was just a casual fan, but now I found myself still thinking of SB19's concert here in Dubai. Grabing SB19 mag-concert, first time ko mapanood sila, halimaw sa galing. Wow, masasabi ko dahil super galing nila, sulit ang ticket. Grabing SB19 yan, sobrang galing. Sulit na sulit pagpunta ko, gets ko na kung bakit napakaraming 18 sa buong mundo. Sobrang talented nilang 5. Salamat SB19 sa uulitin. Thank you din sa mga na-meet kong 18. Sobrang babait nila kahit SB19 newbie 18 pa lang ako.
Isa yan guys sa maganda guys, no? Pag nasa event ka, iba talaga yung 18, napakabuti talaga guys, napakabait. As in kung halimbawang may nangyari, or wag naman sana na may nangyari, no? Talagang sila mismo yung gagawa ng paraan para masolusyonan po yun. And then magbibigay sila ng mga photo cards guys, no? As in, mga fan-made guys, no? Mga fan-made photo cards, hindi mga official guys, no? May mga ganun na. And sila mismo, as in, wala guys, namimigay talaga sila sa mismong concert po. Ganun kasulid ng 18, napakabuti, no? And meron, alam nyo yun, yung nakaraan, no? Pag may concert ng SB19, no? Na headline pa nga yun, talagang mismong yung mga 18 guys, naglilinis sila, no? Hindi sila nag-iiwan ng kalat, no? Solid ng 18.
I'm not really a fan, but I've always been curious about SB19. No wonder after watching their concert, you really can't deny that this group is amazing. Ang uhusay and very proud Filipinos. What I truly admire about SB19 now is how they embrace everyone. I must say, SB19 is legit. Magagaling talaga sila, hindi sila hype lang. So I watched their concert last night here in Dubai. First time ko manood ng P-pop concert. Casual listener lang, but holy guacamole, grabe after last night's concert, I want more. Uwi ako Pinas this December, and I just want to know if may concert ba sila that time sa Pinas na pwede mapanood ng live. The moment I arrived at the venue, I already knew this wasn't going to be an ordinary concert. The energy from the queue alone was electric. Fans dressed in themed costumes, proudly carrying their merch, both pre-purchased and fan-made. As someone who came merely as a casual listener, knowing only a handful of SB19 songs, I initially felt a little out of place. But soon, I decided to just embrace the vibe, and I'm glad I did. When the show finally started, the opening sequence was nothing short of cinematic. The theatrics, the drama, and the precision of every move were executed at an international standard. The setlist was a perfect balance of ballads and high-energy dance tracks, each song telling its own story. What impressed me most was how SB19 connected with their audience, recognizing fans from different parts of the Middle East, recalling their cancelled Riyadh concert, and dedicating time to those affected by recent calamities in the Philippines. One of the most moving moments was their performance of Mapa. Seeing the crowd teary-eyed and singing every word with such heartfelt emotion, I finally understood what this group meant to their fans. They weren't just idols, they were storytellers and symbols of pride. I entered the concert hall as a casual listener, but I left with a newfound appreciation and admiration for SB19, for their artistry, humility, and world-class performance. I may not yet call myself a true 18, but I can confidently say that this concert was worth every dirham spent. It was a night overflowing with entertainment, passion, and pride, a true showcase of Filipino talent on the global stage.
So, ayan guys, no? Narinig nyo naman yung mga comments, mga posts ng mga casual, masabi nating mga casual listeners before ng SB19 na I'm very sure guys ngayon ano na sila, solid fan na po sila talaga sila ng SB19 dahil sa napanood po nila, no? Kasi yun nga, no, once na kasi napanood mong SB19, no, iba yung mahatid po nila in live po talaga, no? Yung fan serving nila, hindi nila hinahayaang may dead moment, may dead air guys, no? Ganyan ng SB19, no? Kasi merong mga artists guys, no, na magaling sila mag-perform, magaling sila mag-live as in, no? Pero pag yung dead air na, yung walang performance, no, medyo bumabagsak sila sa kanilang, alam mo yun, yung kanilang mga, nalimutan ko yung tama term, basta yung mga talks nila guys, no. Comment down below, nalimutan ko yung tamang term, bad trip na yung mga spills nila, mga spills na yan. Magaling sila sa ganyan SB19 kasi napaka-playful, alam nila yung tamang kulit, alam nila yung mga tamang tempo kung kailan nila ibibitaw yung joke guys, no. Sa ganyan SB19, no, hindi kayo maboboring all throughout sa concert nila, no? So tandaan nyo, hindi lang ano yan, hindi lang more on performance yan guys, no? Meron din silang mga hinahain ng mga surprises guys, no? Habang nagpe-perform sila or pagkatapos ng performance nila, no? So ganyan ang SB19. Kaya ako guys, sa inyo, no, sa mga napapanood itong video to, no, for me, manood kayo guys ng ng concert ng SB19 kasi sobrang worth it po talaga guys, as in, solid po talaga, no. So yan, yan lang ang sa akin lang is nakakatuwa lang syempre kasi dumadami na po yung mga solid supporters ng SB19, diba? Dumadami na po. Paramihin na hanggang sa, alam mo na, yung mga doubters dyan, no, magulat na lang sila, global group na po ang SB19. Kaya naman yan guys, na kaya. As in all over the world, kailan po sila. No? Wala imposible yan. Kahit 10 years pa abutin yan, no? Kung ganoon talaga, wala tayong magagawa. Pero sana, soon. Huwag natin madaliin, pero I'm praying na soon, no, makuha na po ng SB19. Kasi yun guys, kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring na notification bell para alam nyo po pag ako nag-release ng bagong video, no? So maraming salamat po na itong video to. A very big shout out kay Miss O, no? Yan, shout out kay Miss O. Subscribe kayo kay Miss O. So this is Boy the Ben signing out. Peace. That's G.